If you have issues sleeping, this is a supplement that has melatonin in it, but it has a ton of other stuff in it. So normally you get melatonin, like 5 grams of melatonin or whatever it is, and that's what you take and you sleep. And then they have other supplements which are non-melatonin sleeping supplements that have all this other stuff in it, valerian root. What this has both of them in it. So it has melatonin along with all those non-melatonin sleep aids. So if you look at the back here, and I don't need to read it out to you, you can see all of the ingredients. You see right there, the melatonin is actually only 1 gram, which I like. So it's a low dose of melatonin. And then there's 2 different melatonins in it. There's actually 2 different types. So it's actually 3 grams of melatonin. You can see there at the bottom. But then it has magnesium glycinate. That's a big sleep aid that helps you kind of relax and chill. And then it has just a bunch of other things. Theanine, which basically relaxes your brain. Valerian root, lemon balm extract. It's all this like stuff that you would see in other non-melatonin but natural, quotes, sleep aids. Okay, I'll tell you, I've taken this for the last 2 nights. I slept throughout the night. I woke up one time, to use the restroom, but then I went right back to sleep. So I don't know if it's my anecdotal experience with it, but I'll tell you, it worked. It wasn't like I took it and it did absolutely nothing. I freaking slept all through the night. So I was happy with it. I'm going to keep trying it. I do like to limit the amount of melatonin I take, but I do have issues sleeping. I do have issues turning off my brain, and this does help, and it's helped me. So just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that it does seem to work. I think it's one of those things you have to take for a while to see if it does help. But yeah, it tastes really, really good. It's actually a lot sweeter than I would actually like. I'm not a big sweets person, but what I do is I kind of just sat down the last 2 nights. I made like a mug of it and just drank it down, and it was actually kind of like a treat because it's pretty sweet. But yeah, this is it. This is the peach mango flavor too, so it actually tastes really good.